Let's start with weight. The GoPro is lighter at 154 grams, making it more portable than the Insta360, which weighs 176 grams. Image sensor. The Insta360 S Pro 2 has 1 by 1.3 inch CMOS sensor, while the GoPro Hero 13 features a slightly larger 1 by 1.9 inch for better light capture. Effective pixels. Insta360 offers 48 megapixel for more detailed shots, whereas GoPro delivers 27.6 megapixel, focusing more on video performance. Aperture. The Insta360's focal length by 2.4 aperture is wider, capturing more light than GoPro's focal length by 2.5, better low light performance. Video resolution. Insta360 shoots 8K video at 30 frames per second, while GoPro tops out at 5.3K but at a smoother 60 frames per second for action shots. Video format. Both cameras support MP4 in H.264 and H.265 formats for versatile video compression. Photo format. Both Insta360 and GoPro supports JPG and RAW formats, giving you flexibility in post-production. Video coding. Both devices features H.265 encoding for more effective video compressions without quality loss. Video bitrate. The Insta360 offers higher bitrate at 180 MB per second, giving better video quality than GoPro's 120 MB per second. Both cameras are waterproof up to 10 liters, perfect for underwater adventures. Stabilization. Insta360 uses flow state stabilization, while GoPro boasts Hyper Smooth 6.0 for super stabilization during intense action. GoPro outlasts Insta360 with 150 minutes of battery life compared to 130 minutes. Mics. Insta360 includes 4 microphones, while GoPro offers 3, both capturing immersive sound. USB. Both cameras use USB-C for fast charging and data transfer. GoPro 13 has already released on 10th September, whereas the Insta360 is yet to release on first week of October. Price. The GoPro Hero 13 costs $400, whereas Insta360 S Pro 2 is a suspense.